Hey everyone, thanks for checking in back over here at the channel. Today what I'm going to spend some time talking about is a product that was sent to me by a company called Manbily. What that is a tripod saddle mount. Manbily sent me their U3 saddle mount absolutely free of charge. In return, I agreed to do a review of this product. So here we go, let's talk about the Manbily U3. Now the first thing that you're going to notice about this Manbily U3 saddle mount is the material that it's made from. This saddle mount is made entirely of CNC machined aluminum. There's no plastic on this thing, there's nothing brittle, there's nothing thin or flimsy. This thing is sturdy and it is made of solid CNC machined aluminum. Closest thing you're going to find to something like plastic on this is the rubber inside the jaws for clamping onto your devices, your firearms, to hold a nice snug grip on there. The finish on the CNC aluminum is a black anodized on the one that I have, but this is also available in an anodized green color. Now the next thing that you need to decide is what style attachment base do you want on your saddle mount. Now this particular model that I had Manbily send me has the ARCA style base. And if you look at this, you can see the base that I have attached has a quick attach and detach system. I simply put this on top of my tripod, flick the lever, and it's clamped on. Now this came with all the hardware, everything I needed, the tools to attach this base. If you go to Manbily's webpage, you can see they do have different options available for attaching these to your tripod. Well, lastly, let's talk a bit about using a saddle mount. Why do you even want a saddle mount when there are different mounting systems to hook your outdoor equipment or your firearms to your tripods? Now, I like the saddle mounts because these allow me to attach all kinds of different equipment on top of my tripod for stability. Now, when it comes to firearms, I don't have to have specific mounts attached to each firearm. I don't have to buy extra things. I can take modern sporting rifles or hunting rifles, and I'm simply going to put them in this vise. I'm going to clamp them in here. Now, this Manbily works really well. The threads on this, I am really impressed with. This moves very smooth, very freely. There's nothing binding or anything in there. I can take whatever piece of equipment that I want or whatever firearm, and I simply just clamp it in here, holds it in place. So there it is, your Manbily U3 saddle mount review. Now I'm going to give this thing a positive review. Fit and finish is really good. The material is made really well. Everything functions as it is supposed to. And it comes with all the different kind of attachment devices that you may need as far as the base. The quick attach and detach. It's really made to be versatile and work with just about any tripod that you have out there. This Manbily U3 is something I think that if you are attaching different kinds of devices to the top of your tripod, you might want to check these things out. Go ahead, check the link I have in the description below. Check out the Manbily U3.